good morning. So I'm waiting for the train, and then that will take me to the bus, and then I will be ready to head out.
Oh God, what will happen to me now?
Down, it's gonna suck.
Yeah, it's not gonna suck much more than it already.
True. It's up to you. I'm down if you're down.
I mean, it's right there.
Pretty wild. I'm gonna do these bird, like this bird.
You know what I was gonna say, a little campfire.
Oh yeah. They would do like this bird like that.
That's true.
So one savage nip, one chill nip.
One chill, yeah.
Like the
Ladies and gentlemen, the next L train is now arriving on the Manhattan bound track. Please stand.
Okay, I'm here. So I'm ready to get my stuff done. I'm at taking my makeup off. Sorry, I'm being aggressive. I'm like 5 minutes late. Okay, so currently being numbed. This is keeping my hair out of my face. I look really cool. So this is my second treatment. And I'm pretty sure this is the same numbing stuff as like tattoo. Probably stronger, but so my problem areas are right over here. I have an extra pore, like a huge pore that's always open, wide open. And then I have I have this hole in my lip, a scar right there, and then two scars over here. It doesn't go very close to your eye though, so I don't know if these will be affected, but the pore and the texture and stuff. All my pores like around here are always just wide open, but oh. So sorry for this crazy angle, my phone is on the charger. I'm going to go to CVS and run some errands, and get some coffee, and then head home and start filming for the day. So I'll probably just show you when I'm at CVS. I just have to buy nail polish, and I'm going to buy some face masks because I look like Donald Trump, and my lips are so chapped. These facials, it's like, I'll get into it later. I have stuff to say. Alright, so I'm not going to film because my phone is on like 30%, and I feel like there's probably no money left on my bus pass, but we'll see what happens. If I have to walk, I'll walk, but that's a whole thing. Like, you can only recharge your bus pass in certain places, and most of them are downtown, and I don't live downtown, but anyway, people have been complaining about it much louder than me, so we'll see if I have to walk. I feel like I look like a complete crazy person. I have sunscreen on, I have a hat so no one notices me. I don't know. My teeth like look yellow because my face is so white and pink with sunscreen and sadness. Also, my back hurts. So I don't know if you can hear me or the music, but shopping with me at the drugstore is so annoying because every brand I don't know, I have to look up if they're cruelty free. And I don't know, there's like these brands I've never heard of that have all these sheet masks, and I hate the sheet masks that are like an image of a thing. I know that's probably fun once. So I'm just in here literally Googling everything as I walk by, but it's really, really hot in here and I look crazy. And they already asked me if I needed help like 5 times, and I just feel bad because I know I'm wearing the same exact outfit Winona Ryder was wearing when she stole all that shit. I want to put my jacket and my purse in there. I don't know if that'll look super sus. I don't know. How's that look? I don't want anything that has to peel off that might bother my fragile skin. Oh, here we go. Buy and get 140% off. Hell yeah. So I'm looking for hydrating. Ooh, dark circles. Come through. No glow boost. Hydrate and restore might be the move. Let's see what's on sale. That doesn't look bad, right? Oh, so I got that poof. It's funny, I thought I had a whole, like, reserve of sheet masks, and then when I checked it out, they were all, like, peel off your fucking face sheet mask. I was like, alright, that's not right. Oh my god, stop. I hate that. Like, you're not ugly enough wearing a sheet mask. Okay, this says not test on animals right on it. Thank God. So stupid. I feel like drink up skin is what I need, but look at that. Wouldn't you know it, this is the one I actually need. Hydrating face mask. Stupid. Okay, I settled on these because it provides deep nourishment and soothes skin, which is what I need. I wish St. Ives didn't test on animals. That one sounds good. If I see any others while I walk around, I don't think this is the only place for them. Okay, so I'm going to be getting this LA Colors nail polish set. Finding nail polish that isn't tested on animals here is pretty hard. I was hoping that Wet n Wild would have a bigger selection here, but they really don't, so it looks like I'll be getting these.
Welcome. Please select your language. If you have your... Thank you for shopping at CVS. Welcome. Please select your language. If you have your extra care card, please scan it.
And that is the trick to shopping at CVS. I feel like I always go to CVS in such a hurry because it's like a convenience store. The glow is real. Just kidding. It's my skin dying. So I never really read or care about those coupons, and then if I'm like on the bus leaving CVS or something, I'll read them and I'm like, oh, I hope I use this, and I never do. It's always like buy one get one free tampons, and I'm like, damn, I need that, and then I forget and throw out the receipt because it's really long. But when I walked in, I wanted those bagels so badly. So it is day, I guess, 3. It's Thursday. I had it done on Monday, so day 3 or 4 if you want to count it that way, since I had my Clean and Brilliant treatment. You can see that the redness, I'm standing in front of a window with natural indirect light, so you can see that you can still see redness, and like where it's not treated, so my under eyes look very white in comparison to the red. But what I want to show you is all my skin is like flaking off right now, and I want to exfoliate so badly because it's like sandy to the touch, and you can kind of like wipe your face and then have skin like on your finger, and it's like there's like bits of it on my phone from like talking on my phone. Is pretty gross. So I did have some weird new texture over here that like when I saw it I was like, I'm done, I regret this, and all of that has like really simmered down, and then you can kind of just see like some flaking and some like skin, but other than that you can see as I get like further away that my face is still pretty red. I'm somewhere to go tonight. Like, I've been able to just, like, chill and kind of hide in the house all week, or, like, wear a baseball cap if I was going out. But I have a party, like, a holiday party to go to tonight. So, it's, yeah, you can, like, see, like, around my lips where it's not done. It's just, like, the healing and the downtime and not being able to, like, go out and do anything. I mean, you can, but you look like this, and you can't, like, really wear makeup to hide it. You know what I mean? Like, I think that's the worst part. Also, the new texture of your skin is, like, kind of scary. The first time I had it done, that was the scariest thing. And because of that, I was, like, on all these websites trying to, like, hear other people's experiences. Like, I don't know if you can see that on my finger. You can see it on my middle finger. It looks like granules of salt or something. That's just from touching my forehead. So the downtime is like pretty beat, and for a whole week you have this really unfamiliar sandpapery texture to your face, and you have to wear sunscreen, really, really strong sunscreen, which just makes your face scary white. So I haven't washed my face with anything besides like bar soap. So today I'm going to wash it with something a little, like, not with my Panasonic or anything, but just with like a little something. Because I can't like be at the party and be like, oh, do you need some sugar in your coffee? I don't know what I'm gonna do, but separate from all that, I want to wash my hair. I washed it the night before my tattoo, hoping that like I could get away with it this week. But since we're going to like an event for Philadelphia Magazine, and then Rosie is having an event too, so both of our Christmas parties are on the same night, so we're just gonna go both of them together. I'd rather wash my hair. I think I'm just gonna do like an Olaplex treatment. I haven't done one for a while. I have like a fair amount of Olaplex in here. My hair's been getting pretty tangly in like the back nape area. I'm sure like a lot of you guys can relate. Like back here gets really tangled. Same with John. Like even Mark Cross was complaining about it. It's just from like wearing a scarf or like wearing a high collar, especially with like wool. So maybe do an Olaplex treatment. The big problem is, besides like my shedding face, is my back tattoo. And my bathtub, I can only get washed in like 2 inches of water, because that's where my tattoo starts if you're sitting down, you know? And then washing my hair, I don't know. I'm just gonna have to figure it out. I'm just gonna have to like lean like this, but leaning like that really hurts my back. My back tattoo, I was hoping would be a little more healed by this point, and it's like not. I asked John to put lotion on it last night, and it felt like he was rubbing my back with like glass. I was like, could you use a lighter hand? It's an open wound. Yeah, my face just looks sandy. I also have to go to my P.O. box. I was supposed to hang out with Morgan today, and I had to cancel because I know that these parties are like gonna start at like 5, and I would have to travel like a couple hours there and back to see Morgan, so we're just gonna have to reschedule till next week, which made me feel really sad. But it's just bad timing that there's 2 holiday parties tonight, so missing 2 parties, I would feel really bad about that too. So it was just like a lose-lose situation. So I'm just gonna start this bath, I guess, and hope for the best.